Alright, here's a trade breakdown of today, Monday, the 16th. It was a bank holiday. So I'm just gonna go over what I was thinking, my analysis and whatnot. So first of all, in the morning, my analysis was that we were gonna go lower. That was the original analysis. I didn't want to go higher, I wanted to go lower. TDO is untapped. There's these lows down here. And really that was it. And then previous day low was all the way down here. But I thought we'd get down here and then get rejection and then go higher to previous day high. That could have been what would happen if it wasn't a bank holiday. I think that would have been a clean day. What ended up happening was we did go down there. We did sweep what I wanted to sweep. We did get a reaction, but we came back down there and then just fucked around the rest of the day. Yeah, and I capitalized on this move. I couldn't capitalize on the original move that I wanted to. Of course, being these shorts. I think I did my analysis like right here. So I really could have probably entered within here. Or somewhere in here. I think I was thinking of shorting off of this, but we were so low already that I just wanted to catch the long instead. So what I did, I was waiting, and we hit the OTE and swept this low. We also got SMT there. I believe there's still SMT. Yeah, there's still SMT there. But we swept that SMT, and then I was looking at this, and we got great delivery off of that. I kind of want to enter off this candle here, but I waited for a second. There was an IFEG down here, IFEG up here. So we inverse both those. I entered right here at 729. So yeah, right there. Entered right there, and the thing was, this for value gap right here was definitely the best thing to target. So a good target would have been right here. That's a 2.25 RR, which is still pretty good. This should have been the trade, but I was sized so low that this would have been only like $500, maybe something like that. And I was like, I don't know. And I was actually pretty confident that we'd come up here, but I was weary about this. The idea was that if we rejected it like this, we were gonna go lower for the rest of the day. If we went through it and inversed it, we would definitely take London high. So I went off the charts though, so I didn't get to see any of that. And the latter happened where it rejected off this and went down the rest of the day. So honestly, a great entry appeared up here after we hit TDO. After these two candles right here, that definitely would have been a favorable short. Something like this. And then you could have targeted the low that it created earlier. So that right there. These were both like around the same, but overall it's a bank holiday, so I'm not really too mad about this break even. It definitely could have been a win if I had sized up a little. If we doubled my sizing, that would have been $1,000 right there. So I think I'm gonna just stick to 8 micros. This is only like a 250 or like a $200 risk with a 28-point stop. So yeah. But analysis was almost correct. That blah blah. Not really surprising for a bank holiday. In the future, if I want to catch a move, shouldn't be catching this much because price isn't going to be that volatile. So this would be fine, and this would be fine. So yeah, that's my analysis on the day, my trade. Just look at performance stats real quick. My win percent is actually going up a lot, but those do count break evens. My total P&L is $7, but yeah, this is still kind of chopped. I gotta get this up. Profit factor is a 1.01, so it's not amazing, but also I'm happy that the win rate's going up. But just straight green. This week could have been a lot better And yeah, this could have been better, but I'm not mad about that. We're just going to keep trading the rest of the week, and yeah.